Glass replacements for schools is very important for our business. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about everything you and your school needs to know about glass replacements in the local area. Stay tuned. Hi guys, it's Gene here from Economy Glass, your local glass expert in Hoppers Crossing. For all things glass, call me fast. The main things that your school needs to consider when working with a local glass and glazing expert is first and foremost timing. When schools break windows, this is of the utmost urgency to get this repaired as soon as possible. Secondly, you need to think about compliance. Make sure that the business that you're working with has all the appropriate documentation and insurances to undertake work on your premises. And third is the knowledge. That glass company needs to be able to provide you with enough knowledge that you can help and minimise glass breakages in the future. Any contractor or glass and glazing company that works at your school needs to adhere to the appropriate policies and acts. The first one is health and safety. Health and safety should be front and centre. This ensures that you have a professional company that knows the risks involved with the work that they are completing. Secondly, their staff should all have working with children and relevant police checks. This is incredibly important. These guys are working in your school with your children. Please don't underestimate that. And thirdly, it's insurances. Make sure that all of their work is fully insured, they're completely compliant, and they also adhere to the relevant glass and glazing standards or building standards associated with the work that they're going to undertake. Here at Economy Glass, we believe that we are the leader in glass replacement services for schools in the local area, and here's a few reasons why. Firstly, we work swiftly to repair your broken windows as soon as possible. We prioritise school jobs over anything else in our company. Two, we make sure that we adhere to all the standards and all the compliance that we need to undertake work at your schools. Things like insurances, things like working with children's and police checks. If we need it, our guys have got it. And thirdly is knowledge. We ensure that we provide you guys with the right advice at the right time. Thanks for watching, I hope that helped. For more information, feel free to download our free guide or get in touch.